There are two issues with many Lean Six Sigma training programs. The first is when it's a program that covers days and even weeks of detailed content, including high-level statistics that cost thousands of dollars. This is a problem when students become overwhelmed by the volume of content and are unlikely to ever use the tools they've been taught, and the price tag alone raises the barrier to entry for a person and takes away from money that you have to invest in more practical career development. The second type is the program that is essentially a Six Sigma course that dives really deep into that one methodology and attempts to add in some lean tools to make it more of a Lean Six Sigma program feel. Those courses are extremely common and are a carryover from the 1990s focus on one methodology, Six Sigma. Unfortunately, they do not teach you how modern day Lean and Six Sigma methods actually work to solve problems. On top of this, certification programs made up of training followed by an exam only cover theoretical use of tools. No one's actually helping people learn how each method is applied to solve real-world problems at work. This problem in the industry led us to create our new 14-week Lean Six Sigma Greenbelt course. It's the industry's first ever 14-step, coach-guided, hands-on learning program for aspiring business improvement professionals like yourself. Throughout the course of this program, you'll learn every essential aspect of problem solving using two overlapping improvement methodologies, Lean and Six Sigma. Even if you've never been actively involved in business improvement, at the end you'll have a practical toolkit that can, if you wanted to, change your career. The best part, you have multiple options for how you approach this, including a self-paced learning only option, a self-paced Greenbelt certification option, and at the highest level, the full Greenbelt Pro coaching option that includes certification. Here's what you'll learn on a day-to-day basis in all of these options. Weeks 1 to 7 are all about solving workflow and cycle time problems using the method known as Lean. We'll take a look at Lean foundations and expose you to value stream mapping. We'll walk you through a series of tools designed to help you identify where the waste sits in your processes and what you actually need to treat. The back end takes the most practical Lean tools and shows you how to treat the waste you identified so you can get it out of your processes. We wrap up the Lean project with a look at the tools that help you lock the improvements in so they stick. We then shift attention in weeks 8 to 14 to focus on solving process variation and quality problems with Six Sigma. We look at the fundamentals and principles that underpin the Six Sigma approach. Then we give you the foundations for analysing data effectively and using statistical analysis software. The middle weeks expose you to the most effective methods and tools for collecting and analysing quantitative data and getting to the causes of process variation. Then we add on an additional approach to root cause analysis and get into a set of tools for identifying and selecting solutions and controlling the performance of the now improved process. The thing that makes the 14-week Greenbelt different from all other online programs and courses out there is real-world practical implementation. Each week you're given an assignment designed to ramp up your knowledge of how things actually work and turn theory into useful skills. At the end of the 14 weeks, you will have assembled the required package of evidence that meets the competency standards for the Greenbelt Toolkit. If you choose the certification option, you also get access to the certification process and the examination. If you select the Greenbelt Pro coaching option, you get weekly assignment feedback and tuition, plus an additional 12 weeks of expert tutorials and project leadership coaching. So right now you're faced with a choice. You can push on trying to learn a globally sought after skill set by listening to theorists or searching the internet and spending years trying to make sense of everything you need. Or you can enroll in the 14-week Greenbelt. Focus your attention for 3 to 4 months. And during that time, take your skill from firefighter to professional problem solver and change leader. If taking advantage of my 20 plus years of finding the answers to how this really works sounds like the career development program you've been looking for, click on your chosen option below and enroll today. You definitely won't regret it.